Congratulations, Hamza, for being selected as the personality of the year 2023 from class 12th batch. I would like to extend my wishes and blessings to Hamza for his future endeavors. I just like to ask certain things. How do you feel today?
Actually, when you ask me how do I feel, I would say how does this work? Because selected from a batch of 200 students, that is personality of the year 2023. It's an absolute honor standing in front of all of them, that is all the batches, class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and honored as the personality of the year. It is one of the most prestigious awards in our institution that was started in the year 2017, I guess. And from that onwards, every year the two personalities have been selected from the batch of class 12. So for me, it is something out of the world because I never expected myself to be that personality ideal. But the fact is that I always say that believe in yourself. No matter how many hardships or how many challenges you have to face in your life, just believe in yourself. Because life will throw multiple challenges in your way. Struggles will always be there. But you have to prepare your mind how to deal with it. Your mind is the biggest controller. You have to control your mind. You have to wake up at 4 a.m. Even if your mind says wake at 5, you have to wake at 4. You have to control your mind. Your mind doesn't control it. So I would like to just conclude that just believe in yourself. Everything will be on the track. Thank you.
That's very rightly said by Hamza, that always believe in yourself. Now I would like to ask you one very important thing which goes across through my mind is, what do you think the personality is all about?
I personally believe that personality is not merely the looks and the style of a person, but I believe it is the overall development of the individual. Personality is something which is unique and cannot be copied from others. Rather, personality is built from inside. How you carry yourself. Students, while pursuing their education, they lack that one factor, that is personality. And it is the most important factor. So, what is personality? A balanced mind and a balanced body. That is personality. Fox is not the king of the jungle. He may be the clever. Elephant is the heaviest, but he is not. Why the lion is the king of the jungle? Because strong body, strong mind, balance. That balance that you have is what you call a strong personality. And every individual in this society should focus on the overall development rather than just one field. They should focus on how they improve themselves, communication skills, through sports, through their behavior, respect, values and principles. Thank you.
Very rightly said by Hamza. My last question goes like that. What is your message for your junior Josephites?
I would like to say to our junior Josephites that life may be harsh to you sometimes. Sometimes you feel a little depressed and broken. Maybe because of your studies, maybe because of sports, maybe because of some other personal issues. But in the end, what keeps you going is the factor that you believe in yourself and you never give up in life. Because once you start believing in yourself and once you go out to pursue your goal, nobody can stop you from becoming the best version of yourself. So, whatever task you do, always try to give your 200%. Even if you succeed and if you do not give your 200%, you will not feel satisfied. But if you fail and if you give your 200%, you will feel satisfied that I have not left anything. So, it's you who have to decide your own future. It's you have to write your own destiny. You cannot say that I was not benefited or I was not preferred. Sometimes you are not preferred. But it is your abilities, your talent, your determination and your perseverance that will take you wherever you want to go in life. And for classes 6, 7 and 8, I would like to give a special message that just focus on your personality development. Be good in academics, be good in sports, be good in communication. Because in this world, the most important factor is that a personality, which is an extrovert personality, likes to communicate to the world and is not hesitant to speak to anybody else. Thank you.
Very rightly said, as the association punchline goes, definitely what you said was perfectly right. Your inner strength is your outer foundation. What you are from within, you exhibit outside. Thank you.